Every life path number has a special mission or purpose here on Earth. In this video, I will share with you the mission and the purpose of the life path number 8. So stay on it when you are looking to reconnect with your mission here on Earth. What brought you here on Earth? What does your soul wants by heart accomplish in this lifetime? You want to subscribe to the channel here if you are ready to step in your full potential, when you are ready to make that jump from the person you are now to your future self, the potential which is here within you already there. As well, you want to subscribe to the channel if you want to create healthy relationships with yourself, with your body, and with the people around you. Numerology is a perfect tool to create healthy relationships. Let me know in the comments if you are a life path number 8 watching. Drop me a pink heart. Let me know if you have an 8 eventually on your birthday or elsewhere in your numerology chart. Drop me a yellow heart and drop me a blue heart if you are another life path number cross watching this video. I would love to read from you who you are, what you are about, so we can start a conversation in the comments down below. Let's dive into your mission, your purpose, life path number 8. So number 8 is a number of power or powerlessness. This is why with the life path number 8, you are most likely going to be challenged to find a balance between using or eventually abusing your power and rejecting your power and being powerlessness, finding in that sweet spot in the middle. And you need to see the number 8, figure 8. It's like an infinity symbol, and we have these two sides, we have these two extremes. And for you as a life path 8, it's always to recognize you can come back to center, you can come back to balance. And the number 8 seeks to accumulate wealth, abundance in a materialistic form. With a life path number 8, you are here to monetize the projects you are working on, and you have the ability to do so. You are an amazing manager. You can easily guide and manage people. You have this big vision and you see naturally where are people working the best at. So you are a perfect manager, and with the number 8, you're here as well to go deep into your inner world, deep diving, deep inner work, and deep research as well. With the number 8, you love to research, you love to study new topics, and you go deep. You not just like taking them on the surface and snaps the next. No, you go deep in the topics you are working on, and this is why you hold a natural authority around your life path number 8, which is beautiful. This authority comes from your knowledge, from your deep knowledge and your presence. So with your deepness, your true mission here on Earth, life path number 8, is that you transmute darkness into light. Eventually you're thinking now, what does it mean? Transmute darkness into light. I'm clarifying that. So as I shared these qualities of the life path 8 and parts of your mission, I shared with you that deepness, that deep inner work, that urge to go deep. So with the life path 8, you have this urge to explore shadow sides, and sometimes it can feel so much for you. You dive so deep and you are wondering, how can other people handle this deepness? And this is actually your task, your challenge. Show yourself open, vulnerable. share emotions with the people around you. And through your own unique, deep experiences, you lift the darkness into the light. You shift it because you show other people that you can go as deep, and this gives other people the comfort of knowing I can do it as well. If you can do it, I can do it. And this is very helpful, and it's very connecting if you share your darkness, these dark sides, because as a society we reject the shadows. We don't want to see the shadows. We are only seeking happiness. But what the hell is happiness? I was looking for a long time for myself for happiness, and then I realized I don't want to be happy. I want to feel alive. And this is the key for me, feeling it all, not being stuck in the shadows, not being stuck in the light sides. Everything coexist within us, and only you decide what reality you create. And exactly there you are here for life path number 8. And I can tell you, I have quite a lot life path number 8s in my life. From my own experience, these are deep researches. For example, my sister, she's always laser focused. She knew what she's going to do in her career, and she pursued it. She's now a neuroscience doctor, so she is going up. She knows, and it's not an easy way because she's very confronted with a lot of challenges in the system. My partner is a life path 8 as well, and he inspires me so much for his courage to dive deep into shadows, doing shadow work with psychedelics. And this opened up this year for myself the experience with plant medicine, and I'm blown away. Let me know in the comments if you're curious to hear more about my plant medicine journey. I would love to share more about that. So, coming to a conclusion, what's your purpose? What's your mission? Your mission is here to transmute darkness into light. Let me know in the comments if it's clear for you through my explanation, and let me know as well in the comments, what are you transmuting? And what do you feel are you shifting? What is your unique mission, life path number 8, in the comments down below. If you want to go deeper into your numerology chart, take all your important numbers into account, then I invite you now to book a reading with me. You'll find the link in the description box below. Subscribe to the channel if you're ready to step in your potential, if you love my content, and to support the channel grow. I thank you, each and every one of you, for being here on the channel. Namaste.